Now we're on part 32 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Now let's take a moment to summarize our discussion on the fascinating world of on-page SEO. Before we delve into the realm of off-page optimization, it's crucial to bear in mind that on-page SEO entails a series of actions undertaken on our website to elevate its visibility in search engines, particularly for pertinent keywords. These meticulously crafted enhancements serve as our digital compass, guiding curious web users to discover our online presence and ensuring that our website stands out among the virtual crowd. In the realm of digital optimization, the essence lies in relevance, a vital concept to bear in mind. Prior to embarking on any web-related endeavors, it is imperative to lay the foundation by delving into the fundamental realm of keywords research. This process entails unearthing keywords of exceptional relevance, possessing not only considerable search volume, but also a scarcity of competition. Once armed with this arsenal of meticulously selected keywords, you can then shift your attention towards the intricacies of on-page SEO. This transformative journey allows you to fine-tune and amplify your website, ensuring it aligns harmoniously with these chosen keywords, ultimately enabling your online presence to flourish and thrive amidst the ever-expanding digital landscape. On-page SEO encompasses a diverse array of elements, a few of which were discussed earlier. Let's begin with schema, an integral component where we strive to incorporate structured data. This strategic implementation enables effective communication with search engines, providing clear insights into the content and purpose of your web page. Moving forward, we explore the significance of title tags, which prominently feature in search results. It is essential to remember that title tags should be ideally limited to 65 characters, ensuring concise yet impactful representation. Within these parameters, we prioritize the inclusion of our targeted keyword, followed by our brand name, thus optimizing visibility and brand recognition. Additionally, we delve into the realm of meta descriptions, another influential aspect. Crafting compelling and concise meta descriptions further enhances the search engine's understanding of our content, enticing users with a concise glimpse into the value we offer. Meta descriptions provide us with the opportunity to precisely communicate the content of a web page. These descriptions are located within the title tag in search results. We previously discussed headers ranging from H1 to H6, with H1 being the most prominent in the hierarchy. Including an H1 header with your keyword assists search engines in determining the significance and relevance of a particular element on the page. Additionally, headers and subheaders help structure the web page and facilitate better organization of its content. By breaking up the information, it becomes more comprehensible for the end user. We also covered the importance of alt tags for images. It is crucial to remember that search engines cannot interpret images on their own. Therefore, utilizing alt tags with descriptive text helps search engines understand the context and content of the image. Alt tags also serve a purpose in the browser, as they provide a textual description of the image in case it fails to load. Moving on, we discuss the feature snippets, which come in various forms such as lists and paragraphs. The main objective of snippets remains the same, to provide high-quality content that answers specific questions. Additionally, we explore the concept of page speed, which involves assessing the loading speed of our web pages using tools like Google Analytics. If your web pages have slow loading times, Google offers recommendations to improve their speed. Some factors to consider are optimizing image quality and size, ensuring images are properly optimized, and evaluating server response time. By addressing these culprits, you can enhance the overall performance and loading speed of your pages. Optimizing the code of your web pages is another crucial aspect to consider for improving page load time. There are various factors that contribute to page load time, and it's important to monitor which pages are experiencing slower loading speeds. It is recommended to aim for a loading time of 3 to 4 seconds or less. Furthermore, we discuss the significance of internal linking, which involves linking from one page to another within your website. Internal linking provides link juice, which serves as an indicator for search engines to determine the relative importance of pages based on the number of links pointing to them. In our past videos, we covered the topic of sitemaps, distinguishing between two types, HTML and XML. HTML sitemaps are designed for end users, while XML sitemaps primarily cater to search engines. XML sitemaps are typically named sitemap.xml and can be submitted to Google Search Console. This expedites the process of indexing your website, ensuring that Google understands the number of pages on your site and indexes them accordingly. This indexing is essential for generating traffic and enabling users to find your pages. It is crucial to address these on-page SEO factors before delving into off-page SEO strategies. Now that we have covered the fundamentals of on-page SEO, let's shift our focus to off-page SEO. As mentioned earlier, SEO is a two-pronged approach, and after addressing on-page SEO, it is important to concentrate on off-page SEO. Off-page SEO activities complement and sustain our efforts to remain relevant for specific keywords. Off-page SEO encompasses the actions we undertake externally, separate from our website itself. After already optimizing elements like the title tag, meta description, alt tags, headers, and etc., our focus now shifts to off-page activities. The objective is to demonstrate search engines such as Google that our website and its pages are highly relevant for specific keywords. By engaging in off-page strategies, we aim to establish this relevance and credibility beyond your website, enabling search engines to recognize the significance of our content. When discussing off-page SEO, one of the key techniques for promoting a website is through link building. Link building involves the process of establishing links on other websites that point back to our own. This practice plays a crucial role in enhancing our SEO efforts by improving the website's authority and visibility. By acquiring external links from reputable sources, we can strengthen our website's credibility, increase its organic search rankings and search engine results, and attract more organic traffic. One of the primary advantages of link building in off-page SEO is its ability to enhance the credibility of our website. When we acquire a link from a highly popular and reputable website, it bolsters the trustworthiness of our own website, particularly in the eyes of the end users. While this credibility boost may not directly impact search engine algorithms, it fosters a positive perception among visitors. Another significant benefit of link building is its potential to increase our domain authority. Domain authority refers to the overall strength and influence of our website's domain in the digital landscape. By obtaining quality backlinks from authoritative sources, we can improve our domain authority, which in turn can positively impact our search engine rankings. Now let's take a moment to delve further into the concept of domain authority and its implications for SEO. Domain authority can be understood as a numerical score, ranging from 1 to 100 that serves as a measure of a website's overall influence and authority in the realm of digital marketing. In the digital landscape, including SEO as a marketing channel, measurability is a key aspect. It is important to have the ability to quantify and assess the impact of our digital efforts. Off-page SEO include link building is no exception to this rule. When evaluating off-page SEO, one of the significant metrics to consider is domain authority. This metric provides insights into the relative strength and reputation of a website in relation to its competitors, helping us gauge the effectiveness of our off-page optimization strategies. To put it simply, domain authority is a score that reflects how search engines such as Google and Baidu perceive the authority and credibility of our domain. It indicates how reputable and authoritative our website is in the eyes of these search engines. Acquiring links from other websites that direct traffic to our domain can significantly enhance our reputation and authority. This example will demonstrate the impact of such link building activities. We mentioned using a tool called Moz, or Moz.com for keyword research. I highly recommend utilizing Moz's services, particularly their tool called Link Explorer to measure domain authority. By entering our domain link into Link Explorer, you can obtain your domain authority score, which ranges from 1 to 100. This score essentially evaluates your website's level of authority and influence in a straightforward manner. Moz's Link Explorer provides valuable insights into your website's domain authority, allowing you to gauge and track your website's overall reputation and authority in the digital landscape. To understand how search engines perceive your website on the vast World Wide Web, it's crucial to consider domain authority. The higher the domain authority score, the better it is in terms of search engine visibility and reputation. I strongly advise utilizing Moz's Link Explorer as a reliable tool for measuring domain authority. In theory, as we acquire more external links directing to our website, our domain authority tends to increase. As we delve into off-page SEO, we will frequently refer back to Moz.com because it serves as a valuable tool for managing our off-page optimization efforts effectively. Absolutely. Apart from credibility and domain authority, off-page SEO provides several other measurable benefits. One such advantage is the increase in referral traffic. When our website receives a backlink from a reputable site with high traffic, it naturally generates referral traffic. In other words, visitors from that reputable site are more likely to click on the link and visit our website, thereby driving additional traffic. This influx of referral traffic can be measured and tracked, allowing us to assess the effectiveness of our off-page SEO efforts in terms of generating targeted visitors from external sources. By utilizing tools like Google Analytics, we can effectively measure referral traffic, which serves a significant advantage of implementing off-page SEO strategies. As we focus on enhancing the relevancy of our website and aiming to be discovered for relevant keywords, off-page SEO also has the potential to drive increased traffic to our website. It's important to highlight that alongside these benefits, improving our page rank should not be overlooked. The synergy between on-page and off-page SEO is crucial for enhancing our rankings in search engine results. By elevating our rankings, we naturally attract more organic traffic to our website from search engines. Our ultimate goal is to achieve traffic from search engines by enhancing our rankings. Simultaneously, this process leads to improved credibility and recognition in the realm of search engines. Additionally, as we engage in off-page SEO activities and acquire links from other websites, we witness an increase in traffic from these external sources. This multifaceted approach not only drives organic traffic from search engines, but also expands our website's visibility and attracts visitors from various online platforms. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 33.